Hello, it's Pushwe.
Anu upon, kadekute e kopon.
Let's go along and play the game with the aim of making Creole fun. In the last video, we looked at chupul meaning anus of the fowl. Used to say disgust, disorganized, or to hell with that. And for the bonus game, I ask you what's meant by chupul, s'il voulait gaspiller time mem. If you said C, to hell with that if he wants to waste his time, that's the correct answer. For this video here, we're going to be looking at where or where, meaning to see. Try saying this here yourself. It's a pretty common saying in Grenada. Uba way, meaning you don't see him or it. Let's break it down word by word. As usual, let's make sense of some Creole. U means you. Ba means not, at least here in Grenada. Way, see him or it. Note that me, kade, and shashe mean to look at, to look for. So pause the video and look at all three of them. Now, get ready for your 3 games. Game number 1 coming up. If pay means can or may and mem means same, own, or even, then what's moins pay where sa moins mem? Moins pay where sa moins mem means I can see that myself. Moins pay where sa moins mem. Game 2. If te marks relative past tense and sula means drunkard, then what's utesa weli te yo sula? Utesa weli te yo sula? You could see he or she was a drunkard. Utesa weli te yo sula. Third game. If kowi means to run and kuma means how, then what's nukowi puwe kuma liteka potei? Nukowi puwe kuma liteka potei. We ran to see how he was bringing it or how she was bringing it. Let me know how many games you got right in the comments below and get ready for the bonus game. Uwe ye la, ye bokote Creole ye. A, B, or C? Let me know in the comments below. Uwe ye la, ye bokote Creole ye. Post your answer. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Creole.
Anu upon, kadekute e kopon.